understand nothing is what it seems, but I lied and loved you. You weren't there for me when I felt incomplete, 'cause I lied and loved you. I wish you could forgive what I am, what I did, but I lied and loved you. How could I lie? About myself are not easy to say, and I lied and loved you. Remember when I said I'm not walking away, but I lied and loved you. Can look into your eyes like I did yesterday, 'cause I lied and loved you. How could I lie? I could turn back time, rewind, just to make it right, just to make it right. How could I lie?